Here we go. We can start a nice little day in the life of Chase Herndon. It'll be an interesting day. I'm headed up right now to go feed some cows some hay. Here's a sweet little girl for you guys, Miss 5'11". Sometimes she'll do some licking. The Three Little Musketeers. So now that these guys have been fed, I'm gonna head up to the other farm, which is about 10 miles from here-ish, get them some feed out, and then head back to the main farm to do all the other good stuff with the chickens, lambs, and pigs, which I will let you guys see. We also have some pretty sweet little baby dogs. They're not baby dogs, they're actually really large. Great Pyrenees, they're awesome. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Back at the main farm, what do we have to do here? We have to entertain this one. Hey! Sit. Shake. 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 Thanks. Mom. Shake. She doesn't know shake, but she just likes her paw, so yep, there she goes. Got you thinking. You fools hungry? Yep. Yep. Hungry pigs. Just like what they always are. They're hungry. Most of the time. The quiet and peaceful sheep. You guys hungry? Here you guys go. You're about to be killed with cuteness. Say hello to Rex, the biggest whiny baby in the world. So, this is a little bit of a peculiar situation. You gotta time it right, make sure it's dry, make sure it's not gonna wilt, make sure there's not gonna be too much water on the leaves left over overnight, make sure it's not too cold or hot. All this stuff could die, but it's more of just you do it enough to get used to it and kind of figure it out, but I'm no expert, so let's get to watering. Got you thinking. That's about it. I got the lambs fed, eggs collected. Gotta go close these hoop houses up so they can keep in the heat so the greens can continue to grow even through the winter. All right, guys, yeah. This is a little bit of the life of farming, kind of. I'm no expert, no professional, but I do it a little bit and it's good and fun and rewarding and satisfying. I'll catch you in the next one. Hasta la vista, baby. Peace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing some cute animals, because I know I enjoy taking care of them. All right, guys. Peace.